Welcome to my Abacus learning channel. This is English tutorial. I'm going to do lots of exercises with all second series techniques. Okay, all 4 techniques including here. Hope you know all the basic techniques of division and all the basic rules of division and how to subtract on the abacus with techniques and 1 to 9 multiplication table, and we are ready to do division on the abacus. So let's start. Our first question is 4662 divide by 74. So we here we are going to apply all 4 techniques here. So please watch carefully, and this is my marked rod. So I pass a paper here because I don't have sufficient rods here, that is why I changed my marked rod. And let's start. We have to take place first. 4 digits minus 2 digits, you got 2, and marked rod is second place. Please check this chart on your screen and place your dividend here. 4, 6, 6 and 2. Once you place your dividend, you don't need to watch this. Now your dividend are on your abacus, okay? And just watch on your abacus and the divisor. This is very important. And place your pointer finger to the very first rod here. 4 divided by 7, is that possible? No, because divisor is biggest. So you have to change your pointer finger and take 2 dividend. This is technique number 2. Pick 2 dividend at once, and pointed rod is 1's place. It means this goes to 10's place. So 4, 6, 46. 46 divided by 7, how many times? 6 times. So place your answer 2 rods left side here, 6 here, and from here we are going to multiply our divisor with this answer 6. 6 sevens are 42. You have to reduce 2 from here, so please borrow this 5 to reduce 2. Okay, and change your pointer finger, and you have to multiply this 4 also. 6 4s are 24, so 20, and you have to borrow this 5 to reduce 4 here. Okay, and once we finished, okay, you can remove your hands and start the same action from the beginning again. Place your pointer finger here. 2 divided by 7, is that possible? No. So you have to take 2 digits. 22 divided by 7, is that possible? Yes, 3 times. Please place your answer 2 rows left side here, and from here you have to multiply. 3 sevens are 21. Change your finger, and 1 to 12 is remaining. 3 4s are 12, and change. So no more dividend here, and we have our answer 6363. This is marked rod, and always your answer finished on the marked rod. Doesn't matter how long division you are doing, if you follow my rules how to take place. Okay, second question, let's go. 2336 divided by 32, 4 digits minus 2 digits, you got 2. Marked rod is second place, so 2336. We have our dividend here. Okay, so place your pointer finger to this biggest place. 2 divided by 3, not possible, that is why you have to change your pointer finger to the right side, 1 rod down, and take 2. 323 divided by 3, how many times? 7 times. So please place your answer 2 rows left side here, 7, and from here we are going to multiply this divisor by this answer. 7 3s are 21, so you have to reduce 21 from these 2 digits, so 21. Change your finger. 7 2s are 14, so you have to reduce 14 from these 2 rows. Okay, 1, and for 4 borrow this 10 and add 6. And we finished 1 time here, and restart the same action again, and put your pointer finger to the first dividend here, and 9 divided by 3, how many times? 3 times. So place your answer 2 rows left side here, and from here we are going to multiply. 3 3s are 9, so you have to reduce 9 and change. 3 2s are 6 and reduce 6, and look, we finished our dividend here, and we have our answer 7373. Hope you understand. Please do not comment on my English language. There are some question on your screen. Please try to do that. If you have any problem, any comments, please comment to me, email to me, or you can directly chat through the messenger. Please follow my Facebook page also. And see you next series number 3. And there we have to learn very difficult techniques. And keep learning and see you in next episode. Tata, bye bye.